Welcome back to AI Daily Research, your channel for the latest breakthroughs and tools. Today, we're diving into Manus AI, the world's first fully autonomous AI agent, and how its integration with OpenAI's brand. New GPT-5 model is about to change business, development, and creative work forever. We'll unpack what Manus AI is, why GPT-5 matters, and show you real-world examples of this powerhouse combo in action. Most chatbots wait for your prompts and spit out answers. Manus AI is different. It actually does the work for you. Built by Butterfly Effect Technology and launched in March 2025, Manus AI is a fully autonomous agent. Instead of a single language model, it connects more than 100 mini agents, each specialized in research, data analysis, coding, design, and project management. When you give Manus a task, it breaks the problem down, plans a step-by-step workflow, runs programs, interacts with web services, and executes scripts without constant supervision. Manus uses multiple AI models, from Anthropic's Claude Sonnet to Alibaba's Qwen, so it can write code, summarize reports, and create visuals. It works in 3 stages: understanding your goal, planning the process, and executing the actions. Think of it as a digital employee that understands natural language, strategizes the best solution, and then actually performs the work while you sleep. On August 7, 2025, OpenAI launched GPT-5, its most advanced model yet. GPT-5 combines deep reasoning, multimodal input, and complex task execution in a single system. It significantly reduces hallucinations and comes in several flavors, from GPT-5 Mini to GPT-5 Nano to the full-size GPT-5, allowing developers to pick the right balance between cost and capability. GPT-5 achieved a 74.9% success rate on the SWE bench coding benchmark and 88% accuracy on multi-language code edits, functioning less like a chatbot and more like a senior developer who plans, updates, and recaps multi-step tasks. It also gives you new controls like verbosity and reasoning efforts, letting you tune how detailed and thoughtful the model's responses should be. Early adopters across industries are raving. At Manus co-founder Yichao Piqi said GPT-5 delivered the best performance they've ever seen from a single model and excelled at agentic tasks, even before they tweaked a single line of code. Notion reported rapid responses with a 15% higher success rate on long-horizon tasks. And other companies praised its speed, stability, and deeper reasoning. Here's a shocker. This isn't science fiction. So what happens when you plug GPT-5 into a fully autonomous agent? First, you get unmatched stability and Manus' team says GPT-5's new preambles and tool use controls make their agents far more reliable, reducing errors and ensuring tasks stay on track. Second, the integration supercharges each mini-agent. GPT-5's improved reasoning and planning allow Manus to break down complex projects into even smaller steps, choose the right tools, and adapt when something goes wrong. Real-world impact is already visible. For software developers, Manus plus GPT-5 can plan, code, and test entire applications. With support for 272,000 token context windows, GPT-5 can read huge codebases and refactor them automatically. Imagine handing over your legacy app and waking up to a cleaned-up, modernized codebase. In marketing and content creation, Manus can research a topic, write a long-form article, generate supporting images, and schedule social posts, all without human intervention. For analysts and researchers, Manus can gather data, build spreadsheets, create charts, and summarize insights into polished reports, saving hours of manual work. Another huge upgrade is multimodal capability. GPT-5 can process and generate images and code alongside text. Manus' 2025 update adds advanced image editing. You can ask Manus to change the color of an object in a photo or create a graphic for a presentation. With GPT-5, these edits are faster and more precise, allowing the agent to produce professional quality visuals on the fly. This combo isn't just for techies. Imagine an e-commerce entrepreneur. Manus researches trending products, analyzes competitors, drafts product descriptions, creates promotional graphics, and even lists the items on your store. In finance, Manus can monitor markets, run forecasting models, and compile daily briefs while you're asleep. Healthcare providers could use it to summarize patient records, schedule follow-ups, and flag potential issues. Though human oversight remains essential, even teachers and students can benefit. Manus can plan lessons, generate slides and quizzes, grade assignments, and provide feedback, freeing educators to focus on mentoring. The integration also aligns with global trends, as the EU's AI Act imposes strict transparency and safety rules. Having an agent like Manus that logs every decision and uses GPT-5's more reliable reasoning could make REGULATORY compliance easier. Meanwhile, the release of open-source models like Tencent's Hunyuan family means businesses can mix and match models with Manus to optimize cost and privacy. But GPT-5 remains the gold standard for reasoning and complex tasks. Before we wrap up, ask yourself, if an AI can now think, plan, and execute better than most junior employees, how will you adapt? Will you embrace it or get left behind? Manus AI combined with GPT-5 ISNT, just another tech upgrade? It's the dawn of autonomous work. By fusing an army of specialized agents with the smartest model on the planet, you can automate research, coding, design, and strategy in ways that were impossible a year ago. The winners will be those who learn to orchestrate these tools, not those who ignore them. If you found this deep dive helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Daily Research for more insights.